Easy cheesecake recipe with biscuit cookies. We know that you'll enjoy this wonderful recipe today, so keep watching and you'll learn how to make this too. It's very easy. You'll take your Biscoff or your biscuit cookies. You'll put them in a blender of choice. You can use a tall blender or a short one. And we're gonna make these a crumb consistency, just like a crust. We're gonna put a half a cup of butter right in the blender to make our crust. And this will be, a medium-sized cheesecake. You'll take your cheesecake wrap, and pour in your contents. Pan, cheesecake pan with the wrap. And we're going to pat it down. I love these easy recipes that you can just whip up in a flash. If you're having company or if you're in the mood for a cheesecake, this is perfect. Just let it set in the refrigerator for just a little while, and then we're going to get it back out, cook for 10 minutes in the oven. Just kind of keep it on a lower setting, like a 350, 300. So when it's done, we're going to put our Cool Whip. You can get the powder to make Cool Whip or just buy the Cool Whip. 1 cup of milk into the powder. We're going to beat it with beaters. This is going to be very good. You can put some sweetener in there as well. We're going to add our Philadelphia cream cheese. You can use low fat or regular. And then butter. Looks a little bit yellow. And then some peanut butter or any kind of nut butter of your choice. This is a cookie butter, which is very sweet. Two tablespoons of sugar. We're going to beat this up to make our filling. And you just need a few ingredients. Then we're going to fold in our Cool Whip. It's going to be very rich with the cream cheese. But if you use the non-fat cream cheese, then it's not as rich. We're going to put the rest of the Cool Whip in. You can also use a sugar-free recipe with the Cool Whip. And you could use stevia or sucralose, Splenda. Or you could experiment and use a little bit of honey, or maple syrup is also good. There's also like maple syrup sugar, cane sugar, and there's a wide variety of sweeteners. Get the one that tastes the best for you. We're going to pour in our filling and spread it out. Make it real smooth. Then we're going to refrigerate it for a little while. You can make it just real smooth with a nice smooth knife or spatula. I'm going to cover it. Hope you're enjoying our recipes on our channel. Please remember to like and subscribe. So we're going to put it in there for about 10 minutes. Now we're going to get it back out and take the wrap off. Isn't that beautiful? That looks nice. We're going to melt our nut butter, or cookie butter, and put it on the top for a glaze. So we've got the cookie crust, and now we're going to have the cookie glaze. And this looks absolutely beautiful. You can drizzle it on with like a strawberry glaze, or you can completely cover the top as we're doing now, kind of like a frosting, and then let it drip down the sides. Then you can decorate however you want to. You could put cinnamon. We're putting the crushed up cookies on the top. You could put fruit, blueberries, and then you've got a couple cookies for a garnish, and some almond slices. Please watch our playlist in the comments section. And please subscribe. We love our village cooking. It's very interesting and entertaining. We know you'll love these videos. It's very relaxing and beautiful. Eggplant is a delicate tropical plant cultivated as a tender annual in temperature climates. Is eggplant bad for you? It can be toxic if eaten raw. Add rice to your dishes. Cooking raw, but staying healthy. You can cook a variety of these wonderful recipes. It's easy. Usually takes under 30 minutes. Hi, I'm Sweet Sue, and I'm cooking amazing recipes. We have village cooking that it's cooked on the outdoors, open an open fire. These are amazing recipes to watch. Like this one, for example, it's stringing batter into very hot oil. And this can be flavored into like onion rings, or you could do like not potato chips, but like batter chips. And then you can also have it as a dessert underneath fruit, like it's a little cookie or a cake. So this is a very unique type of cooking where it cooks very fast, and it's made out of a batter cooked outside over either an open fire or a very hot stove. We have recipes from start to finish. If you like these recipes and also enjoy watching our videos with village people and different other recipes such as stir fry and also air frying, then please consider subscribing. Simply click my picture to the right side of the screen on the bottom, and you will see all of our recent uploads. We appreciate it, and it will grow our channel.